Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to activate your Maybank credit card for overseas use in 2025. Whether you're planning a dream vacation, a business trip, or just some international shopping, getting your card ready is crucial to avoid any mid-trip surprises. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps quickly and easily, so you can do it in under 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Maybank credit card details handy, along with your mobile phone for verification. Start by opening the Maybank 2U app or logging into the Maybank website on your computer. If you're new to this, don't worry, it's straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Cards section, usually found in the main menu. Step 2. Select your credit card from the list. Look for an option that says something like Settings or Manage Card. Here, you'll find a feature for international or overseas transactions. It might be labeled as Enable Overseas Use or International Activation. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to confirm your identity, probably with a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered mobile number. After verifying with the OTP, double-check that the activation is successful. Maybank often requires you to set limits for overseas spending, so take a moment to customize that based on your needs. Pro tip: always review any associated fees for international transactions to avoid unexpected charges. Once activated, test it out with a small purchase if possible, or keep an eye on your account for confirmation. Remember, this activation is typically valid for a set period, so reactivate if needed for future trips. And there you have it. Your Maybank credit card is now ready for global adventures. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.